All right, what's up, AB? We are starting to stream right quick.
All right.
All right, so we're just gonna go over a quick OBS tutorial, and it will be the basics of OBS, and not necessarily how we figure this out, but I'm just gonna take everybody through the steps of if you want to set up OBS and you wanted to have two different displays, because that seems to be popular. So I want to make sure that everybody can see that it's popular. Holy smokes, in for the grill. Boom. How in the world, man?
Hey, hey, listen, say what? In for the grill made it. You know what? Let me go ahead and switch this over here like this. You know what? Hey, I'm doing too much, man. I'm out here with, look, 3 screens. Let's do this and move this over here. Hey, so check it out, Scott. Just in case were you able to hear what the intro is about? Listen, this is just a video to show people, you know what I mean, how we're going to set it up and do these screens. We're going to show how to set up a scene. We're going to talk a little bit about OBS. And, you know, like this is like a beginner's 101 class. And listen, then today and then this week's show, when we do it, this is going to, we're going to pick up where we left off and we'll go from there. You know, try to bring some value and answer some of the questions that we've been getting.
All right, sweet. So, hey, let's get right into it.
All right.
So I think you got me on, I can hear echo in the background. You must have me on the speaker. Oh, yeah, because you ain't got your headphones on. You got me on the speaker.
No, I'm going to put them on.
All right. As soon as you get them on, man, we'll go through it.
All right, wait a minute. Give me 1 second to get set up with the with this.
All right. All right, sweet, man. It's gonna be all you, man. You're gonna be clicking away. Oh, now you can't hear me.
All right. Did the echo go away?
Okay. All right, echo gone. All right, we in. We ready. We ready to stream for real. All right, sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch the scenes.
Okay.
All right. Boom. Okay. All right. So first thing that we're gonna do. So let's go ahead and have you do a. You got OBS running, and we'll have you start the screen share.
All right.
Portion.
Get that going. Share screen. Let me make sure I share the right thing. All right. Hey, there we go.
All right, boom. So, all right. So if you open OBS, this is kind of exactly what it looked like. And one of the things that'll be tricky is you see this mouse moving right here. That's right here by the mic. That is actually my mouse. I'm going to be using that to help AB out, so we ain't sitting on this thing yelling at each other about, hey, man, click right there. Click right there. So that's what we're going to try to do. So the first thing that you'll notice when you open up OBS is you're going to have two different things. You're going to have sources over here. And then you're going to have scenes over here, and then you're going to have sources. Oh, there you go. AB, you got it. All right, so just highlighting those two.
Hey, so wait. Let me just go ahead and say this, man. Hey, look, I'm your Hey, never mind. I was going to say I was your Vanna White, but we'll leave it alone. I got it. Just call the letters out, man. I'll open them up, bro.
All right, sweet. So once you're looking at that, we're going to set up a scene. So right now we are in the scene. We are in the traditional studio mode. We're in traditional view mode. So what we want to do is set up the studio mode so that we don't mess up our view. So go ahead and hit studio mode over there on the right. Bam. And now we got 2 views inside of the studio mode. And let me see. I will go ahead and just like magic, I'm going to move me someplace else if I can unlock my camera.
Right.
All right. Boom.
Hey, look. So, hey, you know what? I'm going to be laughing a lot, man. You know, you're putting yourself over there. This is where Google's at. You're going to get somewhere else.
I got to get somewhere else? Wow.
Well, you know what? No, I guess. Well, I'm looking at the screen.
Where I want to be.
No,
that's
well,
where I want to be.
You covered up. Okay, you good right there. Hey, but look.
Hey, don't worry. I get out the way.
Look, Scott said, "Damn, I'm learning with you guys." That's right. Hey, you know what? Hey, you need to learn this and figure and get on board, man. Because listen, we got to get you on the show. You know what I mean? I already know you know how to do it. And I've seen you, you know, in prior ones. So this is good for what we're talking about, Scott. And then we're going to go from there. Hey, listen to this. Colorful Camille say, smash the like button. Yeah, all two of you guys, smash it.
All right. So
all right,
check it out. Let's move along. All right. So what we are going to do, I want you to, so when you're setting up the OBS, this for anybody out there listening, the first thing that you want to do is for the scenes, you want to hit that plus button down there all the way on the bottom left and hit a plus.
Okay, on scene. There we go. We're starting that.
All right.
Hey, listen, I hate to keep interrupting you, but I got to say something to my folks. Hey, Southern Smoke Boss. Hey, he just said, what's up here, everybody? I got it, man. Hey, what's going on? Hey, listen, just to bring you up to speed, this is just OBS 101, getting everything set up, showing everybody how to, do it, getting off to, like learning how to like just set it up, download it, which version, set up your scenes. Then we're going to transition. So this is just a learning tutorial, and then we're going to pick up again Wednesday, and we're going to make it a little bit more advanced. All right.
All right. So, hey, so one thing that y'all could do for us, because y'all are in there, let us know if you can see the screen clearly. And that way, as long as you can see exactly what it's typing, and if you can see the words that are displayed on the screen, that would be important for us to know, because if you can see the words displayed on the screen, then that makes it so much easier for us. So, yep. Hey, that's right. What's up, Kaiser?
Yeah. Hey, what's going on, Kaiser? Hey, Kaiser, listen, I've said this already. I'm going to give it to you in a nutshell. This is just OBS 101, learning, getting the download, opening up the program, and then setting up scenes and sources. So this is just like, really, we're going to call this part 1, and then we'll probably continue on with the drizzle effect. That'll be part 2 to get a little bit more advanced. So we just walking people and having something where they can come look at a video and, get some value from there instead of just watching all of the live streams when they, you know how they get.
Oh yeah, true that. So, all right, hey, welcome everybody. So y'all can kind of sit through it. I'm just gonna try to talk you through it. But the first thing is, yeah, if you can read the words on the screen, then we know we are doing good.
Kaiser said the title. Yeah, good. Okay.
Hey, that is true. We should just put it in. We should just put it in the title. Let me unlock this display and make it a tad bit bigger.
There you go.
Boom. All right, got it.
So Scott, in for the grill, what we usually say is, this is what you'll know, and everybody in here to know this. We just say drop a 7 if the setup looks good, you can hear it's clear, and you can read everything that's on the screen. It looks like it's clear to me. I can see where it says video capture device, things of that nature. So
okay, cool.
Read it, then we good.
All right, sweet. So so the first thing that you want to do is name that scene. So go ahead and name that scene. You can name it. Let's name that main. Or anything you want to name it.
Let's call it Drizzle Main.
All right, Drizzle Main, that'll work.
Oh, nice. Hey, you put me on the spot, bro. Now everybody know how fast I type.
Hey, you want to get in the driver's seat, man. All right, so now you hit Drizzle Main. All right, so now you can all see that the scene has disappeared. So what we have to do next is we need to add a camera to that scene. So inside of that scene, you're going to go over to sources, which is the next box on the right, and hit the plus. All right, once you hit that plus, what you're going to select is video capture device.
So you guys can see, I'm just going to highlight all of these, but I'll look down here. Here's video capture device. All right.
Okay. All right, and now we're going to add an existing video capture device because we already have it. We already have it in there. You know which one is named?
That is a good question. I can always go and change it. We'll start at the bottom first.
Okay. All right, let's start with. All right, so what this is going to be, if this was your first time, what you want to do is, hey, you know what? We'll go through it like as if it was the first time. If it's your first time, you go straight up to create new.
All right.
All right, and then you are going to hit OK. Oh, just name it whatever you want to name it. Hit OK.
All right. You know what? I didn't name it. I just went ahead and it's called number 4, so we'll go with that.
Okay. All right, so now you can see that the scene pops up, but what you want to do is you see that up there in your up there in the my upper left, you can see how small it is. And the problem is because it's device default. So you want to go and select that, hit that down button on resolution, FPS type. All right, and hit custom. All right, now as soon as you hit custom, the resolution box is now available for you to type in. So you're going to put your cursor inside the resolution box. Yep. And then there you go. And select 1920 by 1080. All right, and hit OK. All right, boom. So now we are full screen. Now that we are full screen, we want to make sure that we can crop our scene so that we know that our scene, so that we can get exactly what we want out of that scene. Because if you've seen how we done it on the drizzle effect, obviously we have the world spinning in the background and whatnot. So once we have the world spinning in the background, we're going to get you there, but we're not going to get you there tonight. What's up, SpyTube? I see you and Smoking Beers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Mm-hmm. All right. So the next step is I want to show you how to do two things. And that first thing is, you see how I'm in the small box here, and I can actually move myself around while we're live, and you don't have to have the whole background. What I want to do is show you how to do that, because that's one of the most difficult things to do in OBS, and that's resizing you in your picture and getting your background and everything else set up right. So AB, what I want you to do is go and you see those red bars over there on the left. You see that thing circling you?
The thing circling me, the red bars.
Yeah, the red bars.
Yeah, the box around you mean these right here?
Yep. All right, so anytime you click that, that's exactly what will happen, but that's not what we want to do. We want to make sure that we get our crop correct before we start resizing the box. So to get that crop correct, you're going to hold down the Alt key.
Mm-hmm.
And then click the bubble. Well, not that bubble. Well, you can use that one too.
You know what? I'm going to go ahead and
you
do
see
it like
all the way up there?
About.
There you go. Yeah. All right. So then you pull that in. All right. You crop that. Crop the other side. Boom. And then crop a little bit of that head space out.
Oh, man. I don't know, man. I might want to see my shock mount.
Hey, you just got to pull it down.
yeah. Hey, look, now my mic be down here on my chest, down here, but it's all good. We do that right there. Just to show.
All right, so now that we got that in there, now you can move yourself to wherever you want to put it. So let's just move you over into the corner as the whole box. Just grab the whole display and move you over there in the corner. All right, so now that we got that set, we got the stage set. So now what we need is a background. So inside of this scene, we're going to hit our sources again and go ahead and hit that plus on sources. All right, and now we're going to add let me see, I'll take it to the chat. I will say, let's add a media source because we want to have some moving video, right? That's what we want to have.
Right, correct.
All right, so let's go and add a media source. All right, hit plus. All right, and then we're going to create a new media source.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and name it. I'm gonna just if we're gonna use, if you say we're gonna use the background or Earth, I'll just call it Earth.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. Hey, you know what? While we take this little time, just he already said it, but just want to say, hey, what's up to everybody? Hey, In for the Grill said, "Damn, Jay Wade, you gotta do all this for for YouTubers." Yes. Hey, this is what it. I'll let Jay Wade. Hey, this is what he loved right here. You know what I mean? He might have me on here every day doing something like this. All right.
Yeah, it's true. All right, so picking that up, so you're gonna name it Earth. Name it Earth 2 or something.
Okay. Earth 2, got it.
All right, now go ahead and hit OK. All right, now it's gonna tell you to look for that file. So go ahead and hit Browse.
Hey, whoa! Let me make sure everything all right, because I might have to drop. Browse my laptop. I mean, browse my desktop.
Hey, I told you got to set that up. Hey, just move it off the screen. Move it to a different screen.
Yeah, I got it. No, we good, man. We good. Okay. Here we go. There it is right there.
All right, boom. All right, so we're going to use the drizzle effect countdown timer. All right, so we're going to open that up. Okay, and now, all right, wait a minute. Oh, so open that back up. All right, so you see that little box right there, and this is a key. This is a pro tip right here. You got to hit the button that says loop up there at the top. Because if you don't hit the button, if you don't hit the button that says loop, it will not continue to play. So go ahead and hit OK. All right, everybody, don't panic. I know you expect to see the world spinning right now, but it is not spinning because that is not the live view. Once you switch it over to the live view, that's when you'll get the world spinning in the background. And this is when it's going to get tricky. All right, so AB, go ahead and hit that button named Transition up there in the top in the middle of the screens.
And there it is right there.
Boom, holy smokes. All right, so now we figured out that we did something wrong. So go ahead and hit Transition and let's bring it back. All right, so the first thing that we did wrong or the step that we forgot is one of the things that's most critical, because inside of sources, whatever is on the top line is what shows on the top. So just go ahead and put your webcam on top of the earth. It's drag and drop. All right, let's go ahead and hit transition. And boom, you are now there kicking it with the world. And you can still, all right, so once you're in this scene, now you can change it up even more. So let's go ahead and get out of studio mode. All right, so once you come out of studio mode, now you can make movements in real time and move yourself, shrink yourself. The only thing that's different inside of there is the video that you have on there, what's playing is what's going to be playing. So you can set yourself in there, and guess what I'm going to do? Look, boom. Holy smokes. Ha ha. We almost got the drizzle effect set up going on up in here, huh?
Hey, look, so this should answer a lot of questions. You know what I mean? Hey, thanks, Scott. You say how freaking cool is that, eh? Hey, that's right. Boom. Yeah, boom. So that's right.
All right, yeah. So there y'all go. That is the basics.
Yeah, hey, look, stay away from the shark. You know what I mean? Yeah. So that is the basics. So one of the other cool things that I want to show y'all that we can do is that we can speed it up and we can run it at any speed that we want. So if you have a video in the background and you want to run it in the background, AB, go ahead and hit the Earth. What is it called? Earth 2. What do you mean when you want me to hit it? You want me to turn it off?
All right. No. Click it and right click and then go to properties. Go to properties.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now inside of properties, scroll down. You have the option to change the speed. So right now it's running at 100%. So you can slow it down or you can speed it up. So you can go ahead, but you can only speed it up 2 times. So you can speed it up to, let me get out of here. You can speed it up to 200%. And then it'll make the time tick and it'll make it go fast. So, and if y'all were watching the drizzle effect last week, y'all will notice that we did set the timer at 30 minutes. But what I forgot to do was change that slider back to 100%. And being that I forgot to change it back to 100%, the show started 15 minutes early as opposed to right on time. So that
let me add to that. Let me add to that. Hey, so that's when he called me on my cell phone. I was in there trimming up my goatee and making sure I look presentable to be on here. And he said, hey, bro, I made a mistake. The show going live in 2 minutes. You know what I mean? And we went, hey, what's going on, Ray Mac?
Ray Mac in the building. What's happening? Yeah, so this works on any computer.
Now, you know what? Here's where it get a little tricky. And hey, Kaiser, you can chime into this too. You know what I mean? It gets tricky as far. Oh, okay. I didn't know if you want me to. Okay, I'm still at 200. I don't want to stay at.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
It'll start back over. You can stay there at 200.
Okay. Well, now you guys can see just how quick it's moving. Okay, I was going to say, hey Ray, it really makes a difference. Like you got to have a computer that got like a lot of RAM. You know what I mean? That's why you don't see me when I'm outside, when I'm on the road or whatever, because my laptop is not quite as strong enough to, process everything, information from the internet of that nature. My desktop, this is my gaming computer. That shell, this will run on any computer.
Yeah. Hey, so check this out. So, hey, let's stop that because right now, we ain't got enough bandwidth. So to stop that, hit the cross out the eye. All you have to do is cross the eye, and that'll stop the Earth from spinning.
There we go. All right.
Just cross the okay, bam. So now we stopped the Earth from spinning. So now I think we'll be back in effect with our regular video. So one of the other things that you can do if you got like internet problems or if it takes a lot of bandwidth, because what we do, we don't have it set up tonight like we normally have it set up, because this is a power hungry setup that we run here. doing this. So of course it requires quite a bit of RAM, but what you can always do inside of OBS is add any type of photo. So AB, I'll tell you, go ahead and hit that plus because you can add a photo in the background. All right, and now you're going to go to image capture. Oh, just image, yeah. Hit image, and now you can grab any photo that you want.
Okay, look, I got one for you. I sure hate that you got me on blast with this.
With how fast you type.
Yeah, man. Let me see what I got on here. Oh, well, look, what I could do is just change myself. So if I grab the image, I could just grab. Oh, there we go.
What's going on, Meathead? All right, sweet. Hey, true that, Kaiser. You said it. You said it best. So definitely the RAM. So if y'all can see right here, we are going to try to make it look like the drizzle effect right now. So the next thing we're gonna do is grab that. Yeah.
I'm gonna grab the drizzle effect.
Yep.
I'm gonna put this on. No, I want to put this on top.
Yeah. Put that on top.
There we go.
All right, boom. So now you're gonna stretch out the drizzle effect because that's already cut to 1920. All right, and then only thing we got to do is put yourself inside of the box. Boom, shoot, man, y'all. That's what's up, and that's pretty much the basics of how the drizzle effect is put together. So just remember that to resize these scenes, for those of y'all that missed it in the beginning. For those of y'all trying to, he said, I thought y'all was about to play Madden. Hey, you know what? That would be cool.
Hey, you know what we thought about? Hey, what's up, Meathead? Hey, I heard him when he said it. Of course I did. You know what I mean? And hey, just paying my homage to you, bro. Hey, what's going on? Hey, this is just a quick, how to set up OBS. I see what you're doing out there, Meathead. Hopefully, some of the things that we're gonna bring to everybody to give you some value, because I see you have stepped up and changed everything. Hey, I take my hat off to you, bro. I might not say it to you, bro, but I see it. Keep doing what you're doing, man. And you're going to the top. So hey, if you need any help, man, just drop it in here. You know, we'll probably do these a couple of times a week or whatever, and go from there. Hey, what up, Kirby? What's good with you?
Yep. So that's the what up, Kirby? So that is the basics of how to get to a scene and dropping something in the background and having two different views. So one of the things that we didn't tell you is that we just sharing a Google Hangout. That is what we are doing. But again, just understand that you need a lot of bandwidth on both sides to make that happen. But there it is. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. So that is how we put it together. Seems so simple and so easy. Next week, we will pick up right here, and we'll talk a little bit about a little bit more designs and what you need to get everything behind there. And also, one of the problems that you're going to have when you initially start OBS is the challenge of syncing up your voice with the microphone. And with that, I will show y'all right now. I won't have I guess I could have AB do it, but I know what my number needs to be. So I'll show y'all right now off just how off it could be.
I can't do nothing but laugh. I'm reading what Kirby wrote. Right. You see what he wrote? He said you got to go on a diet after eating at the place I took him to.
Yeah, so right now the problem that y'all should have is that my mouth is moving, however the sound is not synced up. So is that what's happening right now? I should have changed it. It should be backed up just enough to make that.
It is. It's yeah.
All right, so that's one of the things that we will talk about inside the effect as we continue this short series. We just wanted to get on here and put a video up, show you the basics of how the show is set up, almost some of the behind the scenes, and y'all can see it. So I guess we'll take a couple of questions for the next 10 minutes, and then we'll get up out of here because I got to go to work in the morning.
That's right.
So let me hit these comments because I ain't been paying up. I ain't been paying no attention. Got me here, Sun Smoke Boss.
Get it up, but it's neat.
Hey, Southern Smoke Boss, you can, man. You got it. You can get it up. I'm sure you can.
Hey, somebody got a
if
pause
not,
somewhere around here.
hey, hold on, wait a minute. Let me finish. Can I finish? I say, if not, man, they got them little blue pills, and you're gonna be straight, man.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
you know what I'm saying? Come on now. I'm gonna bring it.
That's right. That's right.
Have you made the
Hey.
wheel of drizzle yet? So I have not made the wheel of drizzle yet. I am thinking about how to put that together and how to make that, because that would be awesome and ultimately so cool. You know what I'm saying? Just to hit a button like boop, and it just bzzz, and it stopped when it stopped. So that'll be the truth. That'll be the truth. So
Hey, smoking pear shark shit. Hey, I love that. Hey, we love that hashtag right there, man.
Yeah. Hey, it's on the, because it's on there. It's on this one. You know, it's on this background. And look, y'all getting it. Y'all getting the exclusive. This is a background that has not been seen before. Ain't been seen yet, y'all. Ain't been seen yet. Y'all get it exclusive just for showing up.
Yep. This is true.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is the first one that we put out there. So, hey, what do y'all think about this? Y'all think we too small? You know, we usually a little bit bigger. We usually be a little bit bigger inside of what we do. So the transition, look, I'm gonna mess it up right here. So this is what it usually look like. This is what I'm staring at right now, so y'all can see the scene difference and what's happening. But boom, you say a little bit bigger is always better.
It's always better, huh? Hey, I don't. Hey, because of this has some replay value on this one right here, I'm gonna leave it alone. Kaiser say looks great.
Sure.
He liked to
sweet.
Okay. Maybe just I can see what you're saying. Maybe a little tad bit bigger. Hey, and I wanted to say this. You know how we talked about having a set? I'm looking at everything behind me, and I'm not really feeling that. I'm going to do something. I'm getting ready to refreak this room and get that to look better. Hey, because I love what you did. Hey, your room. Hey, that with that blue accent, that right there is right.
Hold on, man. Hold on. Y'all see I'm all half dressed. You get the VIP treatment. Hey, y'all, because one of these, you know, this is just for y'all. I got this right here. Woo. This right here.
Oh, yeah. The green screen.
That right there. Correct. That is the green screen. So we will be doing the green screen here soon enough. And what y'all will see is just us. And the whole thing we will be inside of a green screen. So we will do that. We got that all set up. That's coming on a future show. So just stay tuned at the Drizzle Effect and understand what we are doing is, you know, we're just trying to bring it and show y'all exactly what we got going on and make things great. Doesn't matter what color of green sheet you need. Mm-hmm. I would say yes.
Why?
There are some alterations that you can change inside of OBS to make that green screen work correctly. However, the material when you buy the difference between a green screen and a sheet, the material is different, because this is it's almost like some silky bed sheets. That's what this is. It's not like cotton. It's not like cotton. AB has one that's all kind of like hard. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's not like cotton. That's almost like a silky polyester type mix.
Right. Hey, but in there. So listen, when he asked that question, like, does it matter the color of green? I mean, I almost want to say it doesn't, as long as it's that solid color. And with that, you know, that slider where you showed me how to, like, you know, move it around, which we'll go into once we do that, you know, do the green screen tutorial. I think you can make up for that. But, you know, you can use green, blue. Yeah. And those are the two most common colors that everybody uses. If you use black is almost in everything. And once you do that, that's how you start having images disappear on your face.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so the reason that green, which is called truly called chroma key or blue, the reason that you use that is because those are uncommon in the background, but that's why they don't use blue very often, because anything that you wear, like if I had on a green shirt, all you would see was my head. I'd basically just be a floating head if I wore a green shirt.
Hey, you got blue in your shirt too. I think inside
Yeah, I
the
got
right.
blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got
Yeah.
blue on my shirt too. So inside the writing would be the background. So that would not that wouldn't work well with it. So hey man, we right at 30 minutes. So I'm gonna say we can go ahead and stop the stream. We appreciate y'all coming through. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you pick something up. We'll be doing this every now and again. And with that, I know I'm gonna be like I'm out. AB, you got anything to leave him with?
Oh no, you know what? Hey, thank you guys. You guys obviously have the bell hit. You know what I mean? Listen, keep it. You know, keep the bell rung. The reason being, listen, the Drizzle Effect will never go live outside of Wednesday. You know, just for that show. But if we do go outside live, like we are this Monday, you know what it's like. It's about recording a video to help you guys and answer any questions. So, you know what? This makes it a little bit more personal. We asked, did you guys have any questions? But what I mean, they said, yeah. Also, green is in a neutral skin tone. Yes, yes,
Correct.
yes.
Yeah.
That's right,
Absolutely.
Kaiser. Yeah. Hey, Kaiser, look for your emails in the next 20, 30 minutes. I'm going to send you an email. All right. It says, Kirby, what it says? Hey, you was just going to call you. Hit me up. Busy. Yeah, no problem. Hey, outside of that, you guys, hey, thanks for coming in. Hope you guys got some value. And as far as myself, I don't have anything else. You guys, hey, thank you, Scott. Thank you. Let's see, Kirby, Meathead, Raymax Kitchen and Grill, Kaiser, and Southern Smoke Boss. You know what? Thank you. And we catch you guys Wednesday.
Don't forget
Right.
Smoking Bears. Did you get Smoking Bears?
Oh, I'm sorry. Smoking
Appreciate
Bears. You know what? Thank you. I'm sorry. Hey, sorry about that, buddy.
All good. All good. All right, y'all. We'll see you on Wednesday for sure. We out.
All right.
Peace.
Later.